Hi my dear viewers, I am your Devidas. Welcome to the video Daily Meal Plan for Weight Loss. In this video, I will share you from morning till evening what to consume and how much calorie you are going to consume in the morning, afternoon and as well as night. I will also share you the recipe on how to prepare the weight loss food. In the first video, we have sharpened our mind because without a proper mind control, you cannot become a successful person. So we have heard about the story. We understood how to control our mind. Also, we took a positive note. In the second video, we understood our ideal weight and also we have calculated how much calories we have to consume per day based upon your height, weight and age. In my diet, I use low carbohydrates, no extra sugar, sufficient protein and also healthy fats. Low carbohydrates intake, definitely it will reduce our appetite and craving to eat food more. And second thing is that carbohydrates also it helps to reduce our weight. And sugar is really bad for health because it creates obesity, BP, heart attack, cholesterol and many other reasons, right? So I don't want to take sugar. So that's what I want to reduce the sugar. So third thing is that why I want to maintain a sufficient protein, because protein helps our body to grow and maintenance, fuels the energy and also it carries oxygen to your body. Over that, protein also creates some of the antibiotic to fight against infection and illness, right? So that's what I want to maintain a sufficient protein. Now coming to the healthy fat, there are good fat and as well as the bad fat, right? I will explain that further in the series. But here I'm focusing upon the good fat because good fat is really useful for our heart, body and as well as the brain. Example, avocado. And I want you to dedicate at least 30 minutes physical activities in a day. It can be walking, it can be jogging, it can be any intense workout or any other physical workout like yoga or something like that. In the morning, once you wake up, you have to take a glass of hot water or warm water, I can say, or if you have a lemon and honey, you can use lemon honey water. So this is really beneficial for you. How to make this fat cutter drink? So you take half lemon, okay, and 1 teaspoon of honey, not more than that, small piece of ginger plus cardamom plus turmeric, because turmeric acts as an antibiotic. So mix that with the 200 ml of water or 100 ml of water and drink it in the morning. After taking lemon honey water, you cannot stay back for a long time. If you are a gastric person, definitely you will have a lot of problem, stomach pain or something like. So that's what I suggest is like you take at least 500 ml of water in the morning after having lemon and honey. Just give some gap of 15 minutes and drink the water before breakfast. That will really help for a healthy heart. And then comes to your morning breakfast. Okay, so morning breakfast is the time for the morning breakfast is around 8 to 10 a.m. So this is the best time to eat breakfast. So in the morning you need good metabolism because you need energy to carry for the entire day, right? So that's what I suggest is like in the morning eat little bit heavy, good food you have to eat, okay, like oatmeal or vegetable which I have. In the oatmeal plus protein drinks, okay, at least it contains 400 to 500 calories. I use 1 cup of oats, that is 55 grams, that contains 200 calories. Along with that, 27 grams of carbohydrates, 5 grams of proteins, 4 grams of fibers, 2 grams of fat. Along with it, add 1 dates, 20 calories. And then add 5 soaked almond. 5 soaked almond contains 27 grams of carbohydrates, 3 grams of proteins, 4 grams of fibers and 8 grams of fat. Then add half spoon of chia seed, or even I can say 1 spoon of chia seed, because that will reduce your gastric and over that you will feel stomach full. Okay, half spoon or 1 spoon chia seeds that contains 55 calories, and then add 1 spoon flaxseed powder. Okay, that contains 35 calories. Flaxseed powder means what I'll suggest is purchase a flaxseed from the shop, okay, then roast it a bit and mix it and keep that powder with you every day morning. That 1 spoon you can use it. And then 50 ml boiled milk. You can use a skim milk also. Milk comes under 35 calories. Add little bit of hot water, how much ever you want, okay. Then add one apple or like any fruits. Don't use banana much because banana is very high calories. Okay, so don't use banana. Apart from banana, you can use any other apple or something like that. If you have a sunflower seed, add 1 teaspoon of that, comes under 45 calories. I will show you how to do this. Now I'm adding half glass of oats. I'm adding 5 soaked almond date syrup, okay, which is really good for iron. I'm adding a chia seed. Today I have used banana, and now I'm adding a flaxseed powder. I have used milk, hot water. Okay, so now your oatmeal is ready. So in the morning snacks, apart from oat, there is also other recipes like Ramya's vegetable upma, around 400 to 500 calories, but please watch in part 4 video. I will give the link in the below description. After breakfast, please drink 750 ml of water before morning snacks. That's because for the proper hydration. In the morning 11 to 11:35, please have a morning snacks. In the morning snacks, have any fruits or fruit salad plus 5 soaked almond. So the calories should be not more than 150 to 200 calories. After morning snacks, make sure that you drink 750 ml of water before lunch. The afternoon lunch time should be 1 to 2 o'clock. So in the lunch, take Ramya's lapsi, the recipe which I am going to share, plus vegetable soup which is made out of it, which is really energetic and also to balance your diet with proper nutrition and weight loss. Let me share you the ingredients used for Ramya's lapsi and soup. Take half teaspoon of mustard seeds, and then half teaspoon of cumin seed, then half teaspoon of Bengal gram and 1 teaspoon of cooking oil. Take 1 to 3 pieces of green chilli, 1 bowl of tomato, 2 teaspoon of green gram, 1 teaspoon of soaked peanut. Then take 1 small bowl of soya chunk, then 1 big bowl of cabbage, and then 1 bowl of carrot, and then 1 bowl of beans, 1 piece of lemon, 1 to 3 spoon of lapsi, 2 spoon of tur dal, 1 spoon sambar powder. These are all the ingredients to prepare lapsi. Let's see the preparation. One more thing, I prefer rock salt because that's good for health. And cauliflower, you can replace cabbage with cauliflower, or you can add cauliflower plus cabbage together. That's your wish. And coriander leaves and curry leaves, optional. If you want, you can use. Those are all nothing but a taste enhancer. Now I have taken olive oil. I have taken some mustard. Let it fry nicely. Then I put some jeera. Then put Bengal gram. Now I have taken green chilli. Put some soya chunk, roast it nicely. Now I have taken tomato. Fry nicely now. Now I have taken the pulse. I will roast nicely even the pulse as well. Now I have put some coriander. Now I am putting lapsi. I have taken tur dal. I'm going to take the vegetable. So after putting vegetables, stir nicely and also roast. Later part, put little bit of turmeric. Now I'm using little bit of salt. Sufficient amount of water, we can also get the soup out of it. Now I'm adding sambar powder. Stir nicely so that the sambar powder will mix completely all the vegetables. So this is the prepared lapsi. Now I am taking water as a soup. So my lapsi is ready. After lunch, make sure you drink 100 ml of warm water. That's a very good practice for the proper digestion. And then I want you to make sure you drink at least 750 ml of water before evening snacks. So the time frame between the lunch and the evening snacks, you have to drink 750 ml of water. And for evening snacks, you can make the time between 4 to 5, but you can also make from 3 to 4:30. Consume fruit plus vegetable salad. Along with it, you can drink coffee or green tea. But the calories should not go beyond 150. Please make sure that, okay? I will share some of the fruits on vegetable salad in part 5 video, okay? Now, before dinner, make sure that at least you drink 750 ml of water. I prefer the dinner timings from 8 to 10 p.m. That also 3 hours before going to bed. Okay, make sure that. In dinner, I will share the recipe of millet dosa or roti plus vegetable salad. Make sure you eat only 1 or 2 dosas or roti, then you have to add more vegetable salad. I can say around 80% of your plate should be with vegetables and only 20% with dosa or roti. After dinner, have some warm water. So that will be very good for digestion. I will share the millet dosa recipes in the part 6 video. This is my daily food consumption. You can take snapshot of this particular chart and you can follow. I suggest actually this timetable because this really helped me and many of my friends. Mail me after 3 months down the line what was your progress. So if you're getting benefited from these videos, I'm very much happy. But I will be keep on posting the videos related to weight loss, healthy diets. Please keep watching. Thanks for watching this video.